Welcome back. So I'm having a very bad makeup day, not because of my makeup, it's because of my skin, if that makes sense. I'm going to explain you in a second, but for today's video I wanted to film a very smoky lower lash line, you know, simple makeup but with a very smoky lower lash line. So I think I'm going to note that down and I'm going to film this video another day because today definitely is not the day. So yeah, where do I start? I'm going to zoom you in a second, but first I'm going to explain why do I have a bad day makeup. Alright, so on Sunday we went for an outside barbecue with the family and I'm like, why do I want to apply SPF on my face? It's not summer yet. Yeah, now I know why. I hope I'm the only one who does that because you have to apply your SPF no matter what season is. So on Sunday morning I went and I washed my face and I applied my everyday moisturizer. Right now I'm using my Embryolisse cream and that's it. Then I moved on, and because I'm always late and that is not an excuse, I had to prepare the things that I had to take with me for the barbecue. But at some point I did thought to apply SPF because it was super sunny outside, it was warm, it was, I don't know, perfect for a beach day. Well, not that warm, but anyway, you get the point. It was very sunny. So I did have that thought in my mind, but it was this fast, so it was disappeared. It disappeared. The moment I stopped thinking about that, you know, why do I want to apply SPF when it's not summer? Well, look at me, I'm paying for that now. Yeah, and it's not like I don't have SPF creams to apply, but I totally forgot. And I mostly got sunburn on this side of my face and my skin is peeling right now. I did exfoliate yesterday, but it's not looking good with makeup on. So now I'm asking you for help because I do have sunscreens to wear without makeup, like when I'm not applying makeup. But when I want to apply makeup on top of these sunscreens, SPF creams, they do those little balls. You know what I'm saying, right? You know what I mean. When I apply my foundation and then I blend with my sponge, those creams get weird and my makeup doesn't look good. So I'm asking you for help, okay? I need your help, please. Send help. So I remember that a few years ago I got a sample size from that Supergop. I'm going to include a picture right here, and it was so good. I enjoyed that so much. And it was SPF 40 or something like that, but it's so expensive. It's like 50 euros and yeah, it's expensive. So let me know if you have any affordable favorite sunscreen. Let me know down below. So I'm going to show you my creams that I cannot wear them with my makeup. Alright, so first is this from Avene, and this is SPF 50 plus, and all these creams have that matte finish, and I don't really like that because I have dry skin and I would prefer a dewy kind of finish. But anyway, so I have Avene, then I have my Vichy, and this is SPF 30. Then I have my Garnier Moisture Match, and this is SPF 20. Next is this Portmatics, and this only has SPF 10, and I feel like that is not enough. At least it has to have 20, SPF 20 at least. Then I have two sample size from Ladival, I don't know. I got them in my Birchbox and I didn't have the chance to try them out. And this is SPF 50 plus, and this also has that matte finish. So I think I'm going to try them and I'm going to apply my makeup on top and see how they perform. So as you can see, I had plenty of options for Sunday to protect my skin, but I forgot. So now I'm paying for that. My skin is dry, it's peeling, and it doesn't look good. So none of this, I can wear them under my foundation. And because what happened on Sunday, I went on Amazon because Amazon is my best friend and I purchased this daily face SPF cream. This is by the brand RAM and it says moisturizing face cream with Bulgarian rose. It has SPF 50 and it says 100% natural product and is cruelty free as well, and this has UVA and UVB protection. So I was very intrigued by the claims of this product, and yeah, I got this today in the mail and I wanted to try it out to see if that does those crazy balls when I apply my foundation on top, and this doesn't do that. But the scent is very strong but disappears the second you apply this on your face. This smells like roses. It's a very pleasant smell, but I feel like it's a little bit too strong. I cannot wear this on my everyday basis if I'm not going to apply makeup on top. Of course, I bought this to wear it under my foundation. This is straight white. It's like that clown face paint. Look at that. Look at that. And also this dries very, very fast, so I couldn't spread this evenly on my face, and that was kind of disappointing. But I enjoy the fact that this doesn't do those crazy balls. I don't know how to call them. I call them balls, little balls. Yeah, you can totally see that my hand is now white. And also this is not moisturizing, this is dry and matte. On the box claims to be moisturizing face cream. What can I say? I'm not very happy. It was my first time trying this. I have to play a little bit more with this. So yeah, please send help. Let me know your favorite sun cream. So yeah guys, I'm so sorry that I don't have a makeup tutorial today and this video is kind of boring and random, but I do really need your help. So I didn't know if I wanted to post this video, but I'm asking you for help. So that's why I'm posting this video. And again, I'm sorry for this random video, but what can I do? I'm sorry, okay? Yeah, I'm going to do a close-up right now so you can see my amazing skin. So yeah, you can totally see that my nose is not looking good. So yesterday it was worse than this, but last night I did exfoliate my face and today is better than it was yesterday. My chin doesn't look good and my forehead right here. So no matter how much powder I apply on my nose, doesn't look good. And also I burnt my lips that day because they were on fire. So my face is super red. It doesn't burn. It didn't burn, but you can totally see that I got a sunburn. It's super red under this foundation and makeup, of course. So yeah, it was totally my fault. What can I do? I'm a mess. I know, I'm a mess. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it for today. You can see that I don't have a good makeup day every day. These things happens. It could happen to you as well. I think so. So don't forget to wear your SPF cream daily, like daily. Don't skip a day. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't think so. Let me know down below your favorite SPF daily cream. And that's it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. My boyfriend always tells me, eres como un lagarto. I'm like a lizard. Yes, I am, because I love so much being under the sun. I was born in August, so I guess that's why I love so much the heat. Not the drama, the heat. And yeah, vitamin E is very beneficial for our bodies, but sometimes I have to remind myself that the sun can be very harmful. So yeah, don't forget to wear your everyday SPF. I'm chori skin, okay? I suffer as much as you do, so we are both into this mess.